mackerel today, to be honest. But them two chuffs have caught one. Caught one. Caught one. Tangling bits off. That's Dane's Dyke, South Landing. That's North Smithick, that one. The South Smithick as well. Them two big yellow boys mark the beginning and the end of a sandbank, shallow water. It's a safety thing for big boats, ships. Fantastic day. Either shag or a cormorant, I don't know which. Sailing boat there. Can't see through a window. Never mind. Speed over the ground.